Today we will be doing wheat rava idli. For that we need half a cup of wheat soaked in water till the level of the wheat, and then you have 1 cup of idli batter. Any idli batter will do. This measurement is, for me, I have done 1 urdu dal and 5 boiled rice, and it is this batter that we will be using. So we'll have a grated carrot and onions, green chilies and coriander, and quarter spoon of cooking soda. This is optional. If you want, you can use, or you can use little more of idli batter. Doesn't matter, depending upon your choice. So wheat rava, soaked wheat rava, idli batter, carrot, onions. Carrot and onion, it can vary to your taste. Green chili paste, coriander leaf and cooking soda. So everything you mix. The mixing should be done very slowly. Faster mixing, the batter goes down flat. And you put little water to the consistency of your idli batter. If your idli batter is very runny, it needs less water. So accordingly, you have to add water. Idli batter already has salt, so salt no need to add. If you want, you can add little bit of salt. I have greased one. I usually keep it in a plate, so it comes out nice. So I have greased the plate with cooking oil. Enough. And you tap the plate so it spreads, and your idli is thin. Steam it for 15 minutes. While the idli is getting done, we will be doing 2 types of chutney. One is green chutney, coconut chutney, and another one is green pudina and coriander chutney. So for green chutney, this one is 1 cup of coconut and quarter cup of fried Bengal gram, 6 chilies, curry leaves, coriander, salt, and quarter inch of tamarind. So we will be adding coconut, turmeric, salt, fried Bengal grams, chilies, and curry leaf. So usually I put my coriander after the chutney is ground. I add my coriander last, so you get nice color for the chutney. And water. Now after the grinding this one, the coriander should not be finely grounded. It should have that little bee pieces of coriander. Doing mint and coriander chutney. So I have 1 handful of mint, 2 handful of coriander, 6 green chilies, salt to taste, and half a lime. chutneys are ready. Coconut green chutney and mint and coriander chutney, and we'll be adding seasoning mustard, jeera and curry leaves. For both we'll be adding. So we have steamed the idlis for 15 minutes and it is cut into preferred sizes and shapes. Served with chutneys, coriander chutney and green chutney. Thank you.